DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector boy.
Gang. What's good, YouTube? Gang, it's your boy Jambisco back in the lab with another mad reaction. You already know what time it is. Yeah, man, the Dan is back. The Dan is back with another banger. And today we're there with none other than one Bobby himself, man. One Daddy Badness, man. Yeah, man, and we're there now with none other the First Nation boss. You see? Yeah, man, the First Nation boss and the Buckley, one Daddy Badness, one Bob link up. You don't know where I deal today. We're there with none other than Skippa, Dan, and Jahshii. Yeah, man, the First Nation boss and the nighttime boss there, you know. Yeah, man, they link up. The one of them calling up. This one dropped a few months ago, but you know I've been missing for a little minute, gang. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just catching back up with certain songs. I can't believe I missed out this one, bro. Skippa and Jahshii link up, bro. Calling out, bro. And I'm so mad. Just been busy with works, man. But hey, we back. We catching up on everything that we missed, man. You know what I'm saying? This is Skippa and Jahshii calling up, gang. Now we'll be vibes much stronger. Let's get it.
Calling up, yeah, calling up. Don't tell about it.
Bro, I can't believe I missed this when this was rolling out, nigga. You know when Skippa start getting in big feature, cause I listen to Skippa before anybody. I know that I start get feature with Jahshii and them on that dog. One Bob, man, that I put in the work, man. Yeah.
Fraudulent activities are that them come them fall and no Jimmy Cliff. They skip a client, them have to stay discipline.
Okay, fraudulent activities the other they come out of them fall and on Jimmy Cliff. Come in. Come in.
5-8 from the beginning. Grab card unlimited. Get a youth of a game is a privilege. Shot to my skull while me a Billy Spliff. Yeah. Bye.
Come in now, man. Man say shot to my skull while I'm a Billy Spliff, brother. Come in.
Phone I'ma stick with it. Yeah. But now I move like a bitch with it. Become a walk, eat, talk, and shit with it.
Oh, yo, Skippa. Come in. Forward. We have to take that from the top, bro. I missed this shit when this shit was dropping fresh.
Shot to my skull while me a Billy Spliff. Yeah. Buy a phone, I'ma stick with it. Yeah. But now I move like a bitch with it. Become a walk, eat, talk, and shit with it.
I'm buy a phone, I'm stick to it. Now move like a bitch with it. Come walk, talk, eat, and shit with it. Skip them, bumbo.
No care who and call me crazy.
Yeah.
All thief, but me know me no lazy. Pan the line with a tree, and me know she a pay me. Pick up the phone, get a leaf, boy, me know you a hear me. Dirty money.
Pull that up. One of the best. I say this nigga, I tell you this nigga stink up a place, you know, man. Watch out, man. Watch out now, man. Believe no, man.
No care who and call me crazy. All thief, but me know me no lazy. Pan the line with a tree, and me know she a pay me. Pick up the phone, get a leaf, boy, me know you a hear me.
Me no care who and call me crazy. You see me call me thief, but don't call me lazy. Pan the line with a tree, and she a go pay me. I'm here, bro. I wanna know about that. Skippa drop yard slang them pound in, and my drop bullet clan American slang pound. You see, I don't know the tree. She funny, you know what I'm saying? Come on.
Dirty money by bees, all of them no see a van plane. Thief when you call my name. Scholar base to the fee, now she gone insane. Send her out for your lease, now the mortgage claim.
Man say sweepstakes, money gone pan plane you. I'm here, man, come in, man.
Well, I can't do no wrong. I just leads me, no need no man. Put all of my faith now, all woman.
Yeah, man.
Now all woman.
Man say put all of my faith in all woman to bumbo clad. Put your whole life faith in the skull, mama. Here, man. Yeah, man. We say put all your faith in a old man. We not talk your ancestors, them, brother. You see me? I say we are talking about the skull we are going to drop, you know.
I just leads me, no need no man. Put all of my faith now, all woman. Now, all woman.
Man say just leads me, no need no man, you. No man to the thing, brother. Yeah.
Big food and no party comes. Chop, me suck it up. No cap when me chatting up. Rookie, if you never know us, and them figure take a loan, this and never been a rose.
Big food and a patty crumbs. Talk to my Jahshii, bro. Me nothing there here, you know, the nigga. Dog, you know Jahshii, bro? Yo, the Jahshii, this verse from Jahshii slid on that shit hard as fuck, nigga. Listen to this shit.
Big food and no party clubs. Chop, me stack it up. No cap when me chatting up. But the granny fun far sale pan the house. Rookie if you never know.
Yeah, man, say big food and party club. Stack, we stuff it up. Barbara. Man, say Barbara big granny funds. Skippa, I'm talking, brother. Oh, hey, come here, bro. These niggas ain't playing, bro. Come on. Rock with this.
No cap when me chatting up. But the granny fun far sale pan the house. Rookie if you never know. Send him figure take a loan. This a never better rose. Millions I pull off from my brother phone. Brother rubber.
Okay. If you never know, send him go take a loan. You see me? I know better roses, G. If I feel like say some easy.
This a never better rose. Millions I pull off from my brother phone. Brother rubber on the island and never zone. Scholar play hard days, chip on that tone. Get a quote, send him out. Zelly flow fast, money never.
Millions are run off from my brother phone. Scholar move out, switch another tone. Nah, man. Don't wanna float this nasty, nigga.
Millions I pull off from my brother phone. Brother rubber on the island and never zone. Scholar play hard days, chip on that tone. Get a quote, send him out. Zelly flow fast, money never slow.
Millions I pull off from my brother phone. Rubber on the island and never zone. Scholar play hard, chip another tone. Money send out. Hey, nigga. This a flow and bumbo clap pattern. Come in, man.
Half time I go in the full man. Plus every day me rise, my jaw token. Every base me rise, it thing new brand. Pussy them not like my dog, it thing mutual. Say yo, Jahshii what
facts,
you talking
nigga.
about?
Pussy and like me, this thing mutual, man. Yo, the feeling is mutual, but T-boy, I want to no pussy. Me never like on from morning. I want to you, me know. I want to you. Sound like me feeling mutual, me nigga. You see me, we're there on the same same page for once in a life. Me agree with you. You see me, anyway, me see me want minds up.
Brand pussy them not like my dog, it thing mutual. Say yo, Jahshii what them talking about. Real jagger never chop in a club. Dirty money in a pocket and me spend it all about. Little bitch
easy now, man.
Chop it tip in her mouth.
Pan a chop for no clout, nigga. Dirty money are about and spend it, bumbo.
Dirty money in a pocket and me spend it all about. Little bitch a beg it chop it tip in her mouth.
Little bitch a beg it chop it tip in her mouth. Easy now, man.
Kita me spend it all about. Little bitch a beg it chop it tip in her mouth. Don't tell about the calling up text, no start jigs. Me have to start it back. A Jesus step on the phone, me have to call.
Yo, this nigga stopped on this shit, bro. Me vex when the minute they on this shit drop. Oh, this is why I love doing reactions, nigga. For shit like this, nigga. These are gems, nigga. Listen to this shit.
Little bitch a beg it chop it tip in her mouth. Don't tell about the calling up text, no start jigs. Me have to start it back. A Jesus step on the phone, me have to call him back. My dog Jahshii have a skull pan a ratty chop.
Yo, he text now. I GG pan the calling up. Jesus pan the phone, me have to call him back. Nigga. See, when you listen to music and you watch a music video, these are the lines and visuals you hope for, nigga. I give you that. Whoo! Can't believe this nigga said that shit. You know what I'm saying? Can't believe nigga flowed like that. Can't believe the visuals look. Yeah, man. This is why I enjoy doing reactions. Music like this.
Tell about the calling up.
Yeah, see, music like this shit. I enjoy it, bro. I love doing reactions again. One day we gonna blow up, gang. You see me, we gonna become the biggest on this shit, bro. You see me, I say, love this shit, dog. Don't care.
Chop it tip in her mouth. Don't tell about the calling up text, no start jigs. Me have to start it back. A Jesus step on the phone, me have to call him back. My dog Jahshii have a skull pan a ratty chop. Couple millions me a
come on, no man, Jesus pan the phone, dog. Can I call it, dog? Can I call it back, brother? Eh? You're mad now, you can't, man. You have to pick up the call right away, man.
Target that. Dirty money different from artist cash. Big food Skippa rap, so me call him Bob. Skull dep on our way to the mortgage shop. Big gun.
Big food Skippa rap, so me call him back. Yeah, man. Skull dep. Hey, come here, bro. I love this song. This song.
Dirty money different from artist cash. Big food Skippa rap, so me call him Bob. Skull dep on our way to the mortgage shop.
Big gun from Philly. Tired down in the fridge, she feel chilly. Color play hard days, man a banger just swing a gear joke. Me she laugh, now she start move silly.
They killing the pre-gimmicks, leads up.
with the dog, you know. Yo, Skipper, if you put a little bit more effort in your thing, matey, they can't bad like you know, bro. Cause the flow you're coming crazy, hey.
Lyrics, keys and shipping, visa, business, client, that spin like wheel pan fidgets.
Say the Benz pan the motor, me ever want one. Me never know what would I do if me never start scam skull active. Now for me son I got bank and nearly 100.
Once I see the Benz pan the motor, yeah, no more one. Me never know me to do that if me never start scam.
Spin like wheel pan fidgets.
Say the Benz pan the motor, me ever want one. Me never know what would I do if me never start scam skull active. Now for me son I got bank and nearly 100.
That got fuck up the beast on the back. Skip how we are doing another thing.
Pound fully Mark X.
Mark X. That can step in there, Mark X.
Tank.
Me no listen when them attack for millions. I make off from my brother call. We make it line look like pepper now. Act sacrifice and a skull figure sell a organ. Fraudulent.
Man says the skull figure sell. We Jahshii. Bro, this is one of the best collabs, bro. I never expected Jahshii and Skippa to work this well, bro. I swear. I'm a real Skippa, I'm a real Jahshii. But me name won't say two man them when I work this good part. Yo, I hope this reaction ain't too long, bro.
Me no listen when them attack for millions. I make off from my brother call. We make it line look like pepper now. Act sacrifice and a skull figure sell a organ.
So I make your line look like pepper now axe. I love this truth. I love this collab. This shit is amazing.
I make off from my brother call. We make it line look like pepper now. Act sacrifice and a skull figure sell a organ. Fraudulent activities are that them come them fall and no Jimmy Clip.
Sacrifice and skull figure sell a organ, brother. Boom.
The Skipper client them have to stay disciplined. Me say a 25 years from the beginning.
Easy room. Bankrolla. Skippa Jahshii. Yeah, man. That a collab of the blood clot here. Me no care what nobody say. You see me? Who are we have collab this year so far? That a collab of the year, man. Yeah, man. Wait. I win the wait. Skeng and Valley no job tune one year. Don't tell me something. Them a war over the blood clean girl tune there, you know, dog. Don't tell me say this so the beef start, you know, bro. Oh, me just see the rat. But anyway, that I want different. That is a different and separate video. But anyway, yeah, man, this is the best collab of the year. Other than the blood clad, Valiant and Skeng, the girl tune there. You see me? This is the best collab of the year, bro. No cap. This Skippa and Jahshii, me ain't expect no from blood clot work so well together. Pana blood clot chat. Me not even like Uno, bro. Uno go crazy. The back and forth lyrics, individual verses, individual hooks and melodies, bro. Uno go crazy. Me ain't expect no for work so good. That bad, man. Jeez and peace. Me vex so me ain't get catch this when he just a job. Gee, people wanna go tag Jahshii, tag Skippa. Yeah, man. People from like the one that definitely go show the artists them some love and support, making use of Jambisco and sending them. You see me and say, yeah, man. Drop in the comments in the comment section. Let me know what's your favorite part. Beats, lyrics, melody, whatever your favorite part. Let's chop it up. The video. Let me know. Let's chop it up, gang. But yo, I wasn't actually Skippa and Jahshii to be this good of a collab, bro. Yeah, this is the type of music that make this is what you do, you know. This is why I do reactions for get this type of music, get a song like this, you know. If you listen to music like this, you just wow, you just catch you off guard, this type of reaction and energy and feel. Yeah, man, big up them, man. Them do anything, man. That was enjoyable as hell. Love that song. That again added to the playlist for sure. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Also that playlist. You see me and say, yeah, man, yeah. Like the one, the Jahshii Skippa. Y'all did y'all thing, bro. Did y'all thing. I would say one of the best collabs of 2024 for sure. One of the best collabs for 2024. Yes, well, Shensi and Maska. Well, male collab. Well, nigga collab. One of the best. You see me and say, no cap. Big up on yourself, gang. Enjoy the one day. Yeah, man. Drop in the comments, gang. Let's talk about it. Let's chop it up. Drop your requests, all that. You're gonna get your shot. You don't know what time it is. Stay next time. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.
I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.